Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Where are you until you go there?
We're going at 10 o'clock.
Going at 10? And you said, you said you get off of work
Hold
at
on,
10?
Nick. I'll get off of work at 10, yeah. So.
Yeah, if you pick me up at 10's house, it's like, it's right next to your line.
Yo! You wanna quit there? Yo! I gotta go. I got you on camera, you up! To you, man! Fuck out of here. You're fucking kidding me?
Hurry up, because they're not stopping!
Call the cops, please.
They're not stopping.
Cause I was blessed with normal feel. Don't know how it feels. I wanted to flex, they told me to chill. I'm making a flip. My life is a flip. Blow up the film.
Oh shit, they just got hit. Damn.
I wanna get married, but none of
Oh shit.
maybe I'm just too afraid to settle. I wish I was planning it different. I think it's a phase. I'm very conditioned. I'm stuck in my ways. I'm scared of commitment. I'm very conflicted. I got the drip and I'm saucy. ADHD, I'm a bad boy. I think I might just pull up in a Rari. I might just pull up the Philly. They call me Big Philly. I think I might Larry. Ain't nothing much you can tell me. I blew for $1 million. Threw me a part.
Oh man. Shit. There was.
We're gonna die.
Idiot.
Stay in your lane. I thought we were gonna die.
You doing, you clown?
That's like losing it.
She's having a hard time.
Son of a.
Uh-oh.
Oh my god. Wow. The
Scenes where it's like, all right, everybody, 1 foot, deep breath, focus, breathe out the stale air.
What the fuck are you doing?
As he's screwing it up, he's narrating, okay, as everyone falls to the floor, now everyone writhe in pain, everyone clutch their shin and roll.
You're cramping.